What's up, everybody? So we got another project we'll be working on. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo. It's hit in the back and it's hit in the front. So we'll be replacing the quarter panel. It's aluminum, actually the whole body is aluminum. We'll be replacing it to the factory seam. See right here. Cut the window out. There's gonna be a seam here. Seam here. And a seam here. And on the front, we'll be replacing both rails again to factory seams. Both rails, reinforcement, and the rails, whole complete front. Airbags are deployed. It is a manual, which is a good thing. And then in the back, we got a reinforcement bumper, tail lights, the grill. This side is good, except for the carbon fiber splitter. We'll try to fix that depending on the cost. So this is a little bit more work than the 458. But we'll get it done. And hopefully soon we'll get to this beast and try to finish it up. It's been way too long. So stay tuned for the repair videos of this thing.